Hello teachers, and to all who are watching our channel. So last week, I uploaded my approved and conducted innovation, which is a SIM, my strategic intervention material in science. If you want to watch it, just search it in my channel, andyan lang siya. So, upon uploading it, since it was watched already by our colleagues in education, many asked me about how did I made it? What did I do? So, to answer those questions, I come up with this video. So, if you want to make your SIM, there should be a project proposal so that it will be surely acknowledged, and of course, mas maganda na alam ito ng ating mga superiors. So, paano ba gumawa ng project proposal for innovation like strategic intervention material? So, ito po yung mga ginawa ko. Papakita ko sa inyo yung aking project proposal. Somehow, alam ko maliit yan. Ayan. Okay. So, yan yung aking project proposal for instructional material, which yung ginawa ko nga is yung SIM. So, if you are planning to apply for ranking, for example, you are going to apply for promotion for Master Teacher 1, if you already introduced an instructional material, then it will really help you a lot. Just like me, I did this SIM, I introduced it to my pupils. I was able to use it when I also joined the ranking for Master Teacher. So, I will really recommend that since gumawa din naman na kayo ng SIM, ng innovation, so why not gamitin nyo na din for your promotion? So, let us now come to the project proposal. What are the parts of the project proposal for introducing an instructional material? Of course, you have to make your title. So, nandiyan naman makikita nyo for the first part, Roman number 1, your title. What is the title of your SIM? Kung ang ginawa nyong innovation is SIM. Of course, Roman number 2, proponent. So, since ako nakalagay dyan, so pwedeng individual, partner, or by group. Then, Roman number 3 ng project proposal, target beneficiaries. Sino ba yung gagamit? Sino yung mag-utilize ng inyong ginawang innovation or yung inyong ginawang SIM? Then, Roman number 4, your project background. So, in this part, you will be discussing what is your SIM all about? What is the objective? The aim? Why do you want to have this SIM? Who are your target beneficiaries? So, it seems to be like a background of your SIM or instructional material. Project description, there are parts under it. So, for letter A, ang nilagay ko dyan, nature of the project. So, what is that SIM? Konting description. What is it all about? Then, letter B, when will be your target date of implementation? Kailan mo siya na-foresee na may implement? Kasi since proposal pa lang naman ito, so ilalagay mo na dyan kung kailan yung naiisip mo na gagawin mo siya. So ako nakalagay, andyan naman. Next, letter C, venue. So, saan mo to gagamitin? Saang place? So ako nakalagay dyan sa district namin. Okay? Then for letter D, objectives. So, lagi naman, di ba? What are the things that we want to meet upon making this SIM? So, ilagay nyo dyan yung objectives nyo. So, recommended palagi at least 3 objectives. So, nakalagay naman dyan yung sample ko na ginawa. Then, Roman number 6, implementing schedule. So, na-foresee nyo kung kailan nyo i-implement. Ngayon, you have to be specific kung ano-ano ba yung mga activities na gagawin nyo in implementing your project or your innovation. Ayan, nilagay nyo lang dyan. Nakikita nyo naman dyan yung sample. Then for number 7, part number 7, your budgetary estimation. So you are going to write what is the estimated cost upon doing your project. Ilagay nyo dyan, okay, sample, nandyan na. Yung materials needed, estimated cost, yung source of fund. So since tayo yung gagawa nito, so it can be personal. Then for part number 8, monitoring and evaluation. So ilalagay nyo lang dyan, sino ba yung mag-monitor? Paano ba ang mangyayaring evaluation? So ako nakalagay dyan, number 1, the school head and supervisor monitor the activity. Number 2, at least 80% performance level of the pupils during the evaluation. So ilalagay nyo lang dyan. And then, kung gusto nyo ilalagay nyo din yung picture ng inyong SIM or yung inyong strategic intervention material. Then sa baba, of course, ilalagay nyo yung inyong, kung sino yung nag-prepare, sino yung recommending approval, and of course, yung pinakamahalaga, it should be approved by your school's division superintendent. So, yun lang naman yung simpleng project proposal sa kung paano ba tayo gagawa. And kung nagawa na natin ito, nakandak na natin, na-measure na natin, nakita natin yung effectiveness, so, gagawa ka na ngayon ng terminal report because it is also important since it will be the one that will serve as the basis of our superiors kung ano ba yung nangyari sa ating project. So, i-discuss natin what went right, what went wrong, ano ba yung mga na-found out natin. So, ipapasa natin yan sa ating superior for their, again, recommendation and then approval of your terminal report. Then, kung approved na, kung lahat na nakalagay doon, wala nang questions, then that will be your paper for your innovation or as the one who introduced an instructional material. And that's it. As long as kumpleto yung mga attached documents, may project proposal, may terminal report, may pictures, may mga narrative report, okay? So, mahalaga yan. Then, that will serve as one of our paper na pwede natin gamitin if ever we are planning to join the ranking for higher position. So, I hope you learned from me and I was able to answer some of your questions. Anyway, if you have questions, feel free to write it in the comment section or message me in my messenger account. Ang link is makikita nyo naman sa description box. So, thank you for watching and I hope makagawa din kayo and for sure you can do it. Good luck and God bless!